In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Slack to n8n. Let's dive right in and simplify this process step by step so it's easy for you to follow along. First, you'll want to head over to n8n's platform and log into your account. If you've done this, navigate to the Workflows page within your account. This is your starting point for setting up the connection with Slack. Once you're on the Workflows page, the next step is to click on Overview. This section provides a comprehensive view of your existing workflows, but no worries if it's empty. We're about to create a new one. Now let's go ahead and create a new workflow. Look for the button labeled Create Workflow and give it a click. This is where the magic of integrating different services happens. After setting up your new workflow, you'll need to add a new node. Click on the plus button, which will allow you to search and add new functionalities to your workflow. Type Slack into the search bar. You're looking for the Slack integration here, which will appear in the list of options. Select it, and you'll be adding the ability to connect with Slack right into your workflow. After selecting Slack, you'll see on New User as an option. Clicking this will help create actions that trigger based on new users in Slack. Now, let's handle the authentication aspect, which is crucial for any integration with third-party services. Click on Credentials to start setting up a new authentication credential. In the Credentials section, you should see an option to create new credential. Go ahead and click on that. We need to set up access for n8n to interact with your Slack account. You will then be prompted to head over to the Slack API page. In your browser, open the Slack API apps page and click Create New App, which will start the process of setting up a new app in Slack. Choose Create from Scratch for a simple and clean setup process. You'll now need to provide a name for your new app. Be sure to choose something identifiable for easy access later. After naming your app, select a workspace from the list that appears. This will define where your app will operate within Slack. Click on the workspace, and with that done, the next step is to officially create the app by clicking on Create App. Once your app is set up, you'll receive a verification token. Copy this token carefully as it's crucial for securing the connection between n8n and Slack. Return to your n8n workflow and find the place to paste your access token. This step completes the trust chain between the systems, ensuring they can communicate effectively. To wrap things up, save your settings. Look for the Save button. Your changes will lock in place, making your newly configured integration active. And there we have it. Your Slack is now perfectly integrated with n8n, enabling you to automate workflows smoothly. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful. Remember to experiment and explore further, as both these powerful tools continue to offer a wealth of possibilities.